Hey folks, it's Andy here from BRS Battery. I thought I'd give you guys a little tip. We keep getting customers coming in to say that their battery charger is not charging their batteries. Reason being is that if the battery voltage is below 11.8 volts, your battery charger ain't going to recognize it. It won't do absolutely nothing. So what you can do as a trick is hook up the battery in parallel to a good battery that has at least 12.6 volts. So basically all you do is hook it up in parallel. So you go negative to negative, positive to positive, and then what you can do is hook up your battery charger to your two clips. Start charging for about 30 minutes or so. After 30 minutes, what you can do is disconnect your leads, measure your battery voltage. If the battery bounced back to 12 volts, go ahead and hook up your battery charger to it and charge away. The only time you can charge a battery that's below 11.8 volts is doing it this way. Now, if your battery doesn't bounce back to 12 volts, your battery shorted out, it's time for a new one. Thought I'd give you guys that little tip because we get a lot of customers asking. Try it out.